On the 5th day of Advent, my Lego gave to me. I don't know, let's open and see. Welcome back to Toys Unlocked, where we are unboxing day 5 of the Lego Friends Advent Calendar, and we are going to write a thank you letter to Santa today and let him know how much we loved the hamster we received yesterday on day 4. Ever since I was a child, I have loved sending and receiving mail, and do you know what I would do? I would take a cereal box and I would cover it with construction paper to make it look like a mailbox, and then I would put it outside of my door in hopes that my family would send me letters. And do you know what my family would do? They would do absolutely nothing. They sent me no letters. I'm still sad about it to this day, but that's okay. Do you know what makes me feel better? Having an adorable Lego mailbox. Oh, look at the festive red and white. It's so cute. And this letter is tiny and will fit perfectly into the slot. Let's see. Yep, just like that, we can mail our letter off to Santa. Oh, we forgot to add a PS, so we can just open the door, pop it right back out again. And you know what we have to do? We have to see if Clarence can fit in the mailbox. All right. Bye, Clarence. See you later. Just kidding. Of course, we would never mail a hamster in this fashion. That's wildly unsafe. Emma will help us get him out. And maybe we can mail the pretzel instead. That seems a little bit more safe. And it fits perfectly. I wonder what else we can send. Let's send some love through the mail to someone we care about, and it will be represented by this fire. But actually, now that I think about it, it looks an awful lot like we're just setting the mailbox on fire, and we don't want to do that. So we'll just let Clarence hang out in there. And that's it. That's day 5. I had a great time. I hope you will all join me tomorrow on day 6 to see what's behind the door. Bye, everyone.